This is, in my opinion, the greatest automatic mop robot vacuum on the market. It is Yeedi's M12 PRO Plus. It was provided for me for my honest review. I'm gonna give you a quick overview of all the parts and why it's so great. Now, it is an automatic self-emptying mop and vacuum. It has a clean water tank and a dirty water tank. Very easy to empty one and fill the other, and they fit seamlessly on here. It's also clear so you can see its volume by just looking. Now, this great machine itself self-docks, self-empties, self-cleans. Now, my favorite thing about it is it has circular pads. I prefer the circular pads. I think they work much better than the rectangle, and it has two of them. And they have what's called true map edging. And this one extends so it gets under those toe kicks, under those pieces of furniture, and against the baseboards, while this one is feeding into the machine itself. Now, they will dispense the water through these mop pads. Yeedi has its own special solution that I recommend that you use. You use just a tiny bit in the clean water bin, and it cleans expertly. It's really, really a great cleaner, and I highly recommend it. So it uses these mops pads, and it will clean up to 160 temperature Fahrenheit hot water on your floors. And then when the docking system gets back to the machine, it empties, gets clean water again, and it cleans the mop pads. It cleans the mop pads for you. Then, if that wasn't enough, it heats up the wet area and dries it for you. So it has a self-drying feature. Now that is just spectacular. I don't know any other cleaner that does that, but the drying feature makes all the difference. So you will mop and dry at the same time. And it will distinguish between the wood or the tile and the carpet, so it won't put water on your rugs. Such a great feature. Let me tell you about this special zero tangling. This is the ZeroTangle brush. It has a silicone piece that pushes dirt into the machine. It has soft bristles and it has stiff bristles, and it has teeth that will grab any hair to keep it from getting into the motor. It's very easy to clean. All these parts come out very easily, and it also has this little vacuum brush that pushes debris into the machine so it reaches on the edges. It has a wheel here that's 360 degrees angled that will help the machine go everywhere it needs to go. Now, on this magnet cover here, there is another bin here that catches really fine debris that you can empty. This is where you set it up with the app. You press this Wi-Fi button and it works seamlessly. Now, each of the three buttons on the top here are power button, send to the station button, or a spot clean. So if you just have a spot clean, you can do a spot clean right there. And this is the touch and go bumper. When it runs into something, it has obstacle avoidance lasers in here that will work around anything that you have that might be in the way. A pair of shoes, an electrical cord, all those things it will avoid. And this also is how it detects to go back home when it needs to return to the station. The bin itself, the dust bin, is very easy to empty, and it has a large bag here that pops out very easy. 3.4 liter bag, and it is very easily located in the front of the machine. You can order more bags as you need them. Now, the machine itself is the best cleaning machine I have found. I let it run since it does mopping and vacuuming. I don't have to worry about any particular zones or worry about, is it gonna get water on the carpet? It will not. In addition to mopping, it also dries. With the high-speed dryer, it will clean the mop heads and dry them, as well as clean and dry the floor. So you really have such a great combination here. And if it's in the middle of a cycle and I need it to stop, I can simply stop it on the app, or I can press this button, return to station, and it will take it right back. Now, while it's mopping my house, I have a big house. Mopping and vacuuming, it returns to the station several times, so it doesn't keep spreading the same water around. It will return, empty, and get fresh water, and empty the debris bag as well. This is the greatest machine. I highly recommend it. It was provided for me for my honest review, and I look at a lot of vacuum cleaners, and this is my favorite. I really like it. I think you will love it too.